Congratulations on becoming a homeowner, but you need to realize that the moment you sign those papers, the landlord is gone and you are now the one responsible for every leak, squeak and break in the house. The biggest mistake new owners make is ignoring small maintenance tasks until they turn into catastrophic five-figure repairs, so you need to start with the basics immediately. Your first priority is changing your HVAC air filters every 3 months, because a clogged filter will suffocate your system and burn out the motor faster than anything else. Next, you must go outside and clean your gutters at least twice a year, because if water cannot drain away from your roof, it will spill over and rot your foundation, which is the single most expensive repair you will ever face. Do not forget to flush your water heater annually to remove sediment buildup that causes corrosion and shortens the lifespan of the unit by years. Finally, take a walk around the exterior of your home every season to seal any cracks in the caulking around windows and doors to keep water and pests out. At HomeBuyandRealty.com we have created a seasonal maintenance calendar that tells you exactly what to do and when to do it, so you never miss a step. Head over to our website right now to download your free guide and keep your new home running like a well-oiled machine.